Hey everyone, this is Max from Raven, and today I'm going to show you how to go from a sketch to a simple BIM model in just a few prompts. So let's get started. First, we start out with just a simple hand-drawn sketch, the good old sketch, right? It's a rectangular floor plan with a couple of rooms. Next, I'm going to open up REVIT and Grasshopper inside of REVIT, so Rhino inside. And there I'm gonna open Raven and I'll go to the settings to make sure that my Rhino inside Revit context profile is active. A context profile gives Raven extra context so it becomes better at certain tasks, such as making a little BIM model inside of Revit. So now that we have that set up, I'll send Raven an image of my floor plan and a simple text prompt. Okay, now that Raven is working, we'll wait for the first layout. I asked for just a wall subdivision first, because going step by step makes it much easier for Raven. So here we go, already created some walls for us. Next, I'm gonna ask to divide those walls into exterior and interior, because I'm gonna want brick on the exterior walls and something lighter on the inside. So then Raven gives me a list here of wall elements that I can choose from. So I'll just select one with bricks. And there we go, we have a first simple, very simple BIM model. Nice. Next, we're gonna join those walls because it looks a bit weird like this. Just wanna make sure we have a continuous outline. And there we go. Okay, next we are gonna add doors. So on my sketch, I'm gonna add some doors and send that off to Raven. And here we go. Raven added the doors. That was pretty simple. So now I'm gonna want a bigger door on the exterior wall. So I'm just gonna ask Raven to separate those for me. Okay, great. Now you see Raven gave me a slider again where I can control the door type. Next, let's add some windows. So I'll want an evenly spaced grid on my facade. So I'll just ask Raven to subdivide the facade first. 5 elements on the long side and 3 on the short side. And now that we have the grid, I'll adjust the walls so we don't have any intersections between the window and the wall. And since the whole model is parametric, I can just use these sliders to adjust the walls to the grid. Okay, great. Now that we have the grid, I'll just ask Raven to add windows on those points. And there we go. They're still on the ground, so Raven, please put them up. And here we go. Great. Amazing. So we got to this simple BIM model just from Grasshopper and Raven inside Revit. Everything is parametric, everything can be changed. By the move of a slider, we change the wall types, window types. We have everything aligned on our grid. If I want to move walls, no problem. So this is a very simple BIM model. Raven is still learning a lot. So if you have any workflows that you want to see Raven bring to Grasshopper in Rhino inside Revit, we'd love to hear it. And we're looking forward to moving this forward with all of you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Rhino inside Revit and Raven in general updates.